It's 1 a.m., and Lynn's kitchen light is still on. The sauce is reduced just right. The phone on its tripod caught it all. She leans against the counter, scrolling through today's footage, ready to cut the video she promised her followers for 8 a.m., the same rhythm she's kept every single day for 2 years. But that night, she opened CapCut and saw one line, "Service suspended." January 19, 2025, the U.S. ban took effect. CapCut was gone. Then, months later, she read the updated terms of service. Every video she'd ever edited, every face in them, had been granted to ByteDance as an irrevocable worldwide license. Even if she deleted her account, that content still belonged to someone else. A creator spends 2 years building her style, but has no control over the tool she depends on. Should it really work this way? This is why OpenCut exists. In June 2025, 5 months after the CapCut ban, a group of developers published this project on GitHub. Fully open source, MIT licensed, covering web and desktop, no data collection, code open for anyone to audit. In under a year, nearly 70,000 stars. One thing needs to be clear. OpenCut currently has 2 versions. OpenCut.app runs the fully functional classic, OpenCut-Classic. The main branch on GitHub is a ground-up rewrite, still in early scaffold. This isn't a dead project. It's a deliberate architectural upgrade. The new version is a clean monorepo with 3 sub-apps. The web front-end uses React 19 with TanStack router, deployed on Cloudflare workers. The API runs TypeScript with Alicia, also on workers. The desktop client is built in Rust with GPUI, the same GPU-accelerated UI framework behind the Z editor. One codebase, coordinated by moonrepo. Choosing GPUI for the desktop is a bold bet. The framework is built for GPU-accelerated rendering, a clear advantage for video editing's frame rate demands. Cloudflare Workers means the web version needs 0 server management. Heavy transcoding goes to the browser via WebAssembly or web codecs. Workers' resource limits make cloud-side processing a non-starter. The team published 5 planned features in the README: a public editor API for programmatic control, a plugin-first architecture for ecosystem extensibility, an MCP server so AI agents can drive the editor, a headless mode for batch rendering, and a built-in scripting tab. All 5 are planned, none are implemented yet. OpenCut targets CapCut, but the core difference isn't features, it's data sovereignty. CapCut's court filings document allegations of biometric and location data collection. OpenCut's answer: MIT open source, publicly auditable code, fully self-hostable. Your tools, your rules. For developers, getting it running takes 3 steps. Install the Proto Toolchain Manager, run proto-use in the repo root to lock all versions, then moonrun web dev for the web app, or moonrun desktop dev for the desktop. Proto owns the versioning, environment drift is off the table. 70,000 stars in under a year, not from features, but from a position. Creative tools should have a real community-owned option. OpenCut is still being rebuilt, but the direction is clear. If that matters to you, give it a star on GitHub or jump in and help turn the blueprint into reality.